In today's exercise, we're going to go over the leg press machine. So when it comes to the leg press exercise, you need a machine very similar like this one, okay? Now, when you come into the leg press, make sure when you put your feet up, it's at a nice level, okay? And you want to make sure when it comes to the adjustment of the seat, you get that good 90-degree angle. Make sure your feet is nice and straight, okay? Now, with your hand placement, you could place it onto the handle grips or in the back. I like using the back because I like rolling my shoulders back, keeping my chest up. And then I'm going to push with the heel of my feet and then go all the way up, fully extending my legs, and then right back down, okay? So when it comes to the actual exercise, it's going to look just like this. And what you don't want to do is you do not want to lock out your legs and then hold it there. That's going to put a lot of tension on the knees, okay? So just make sure when you go up and down, you're doing it just like that, all right? Without locking out your knees. Just like that. So this is how you do a leg press.